didn't have to pay £2 for that.
Welcome to London's Oxford Streets. It's around Christmas time, as you can probably tell from the decorations. But we are here at the IKEA Pop-Up Store in Oxford Street, and we had a couple of surprises here. So this is a really badly shot video, but I just wanted to show you some of the things that are being handed out in this IKEA pop-up shop. So the idea is that you go in and there's a gift shop, and there's also the chance to buy a classic IKEA blue bag, but monogrammed. So they press on these three-dimensional letters. They're like fabric letters, and it doesn't cost that much. It's the price of a bag, which is 75p. They also do medium-sized bags, which I've never seen before, but we went for the classic large bag. And you just fill in a form and put the letters that you want and the colours of the letters that you want. Some of the colours were unavailable. It's either blue or yellow, and some of the letters when we visited were missing, but that's okay because it's all mix and match. It's all blue and yellow anyway. So you fill in a form, and while they're pressing your letters onto the bag, you can walk through the gift shop to pay for your bags. And let me show you what the gift shop looks like. So there seems to be gifts here that you can't get in regular IKEAs. It's kind of coloured themed. So there's a blue section. I swear there are some items in there that you can't get in regular IKEA stores. So if you want something interesting, or an unusual gift, this might be good for you, or maybe you'll just stick them on eBay. I don't know. Get these cushion covers. I don't know if you can buy the IKEA. Oh, you can get the IKEA branded. So I think you can get IKEA branded stuff that you can't get in the stores. So that's the blue cushion. I don't know if you can see it up there. And there's also green ones. We've got a green section here. In the green section, they've got a green IKEA branded cushion, which I've not seen before, but also the Frakta bags in green. So I've definitely picked up one of those. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It just feels special, and it's like 75p, so why not? And then an orange section. Oh, this green IKEA cushion. And then got an orange section. And pink. While we're waiting for the monogram bags, they've got this really strange area that you can visit where it's like a hole in the wall and just a sign that says press here. So of course we pressed here to see what would happen, and we were not expecting this. You randomly either get a lolly like this one. I don't think you call them lollies outside of the UK, do you? Is it a popsicle? What do you call that? Sweet. Tell me in the comments if you're not in the UK. Or we pressed it again and got this. It's a blue candy floss. What do they call it? They call it cotton candy, don't they?
Can we swap?
Maybe. I'll just walk over here now. We're going to pick up our bags. There's the remains of the stick. It was delicious, wasn't it? And it was blue raspberry flavoured, which was nice and on brand. It didn't take long at all for the bags to appear, and I've gone for them. Do you know what? I'm going to have to tell the family to not watch this video because this is supposed to be a Christmas surprise. How am I going to do that? But I do want to release this video, so I guess you and I are now spoiling the surprise for the family. We got the bags. The bags look as IKEA bags do, but the lettering is really nice. It's really premium, really nice, thick felt, and I sort of wish I'd gone for the blue and yellow on the others now. I thought the yellow would contrast, because the B was missing in yellow. We've gone for a blue and yellow, which I think kind of looks better. That was fun. I enjoyed that. Oh look, it's got bags. Going through the bags. Whee. That was good, wasn't it? I really enjoyed that. I don't know how long it's going to be open, but if you do,
spring.
is it till spring? Yes, it's got ages yet.
Until they open up the massive bit.
Oh, brilliant! Now I'm going to hold this up and hope that it doesn't get snatched. So I don't know how long it's going to be, but it's going to be about spring. So if you get a chance to visit the IKEA store in Oxford Street, we highly recommend it, don't we? That blue raspberry
This is nice.
candy floss looks really good. The whole thing, 4 bags and the green bag, monogrammed, came to £16. Plus we got free lolly and cotton candy floss. We're here on a Saturday. I think we're here slightly earlier in the day, around 12 o'clock. There aren't any crowds here. I don't think people have caught on to this. We are calling this Dad Delivers success. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps us to keep this channel going. Right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next. We are calling this Dad Delivers success.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye!